Question: Where are the parliament buildings located? A. Toronto, B. Kingston, C. London, D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question: What is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal, B. Elizabeth Cross, C. Victoria Medal, D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: What do the initial MP stand for in Canadian politics? A. Member of Parliament, B. Minister of Parliament, C. Member of the Patriots, D. Master of the Province. The answer is A. Member of Parliament. Question: Which province is the only officially bilingual province? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. New Brunswick. The answer is D. New Brunswick. Question: When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st, B. October 6th, C. November 11th, D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question: Which province is Canada's main producer of pulp and paper? A. Quebec, B. British Columbia, C. Saskatchewan, D. Ontario. The answer is A. Quebec. Question: Which of the following is not a responsibility of Canadian citizen? A. Learning to speak both official languages, B. Voting in elections, C. Obeying the law, D. Taking responsibility of oneself and one's family. The answer is A. Learning to speak both official languages. Question: What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec, B. Ontario and Alberta, C. Quebec and New Brunswick, D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec. Question: What are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties, B. Opposition parties, C. Rival parties, D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question: Where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada, B. The North, C. Prairie Provinces, D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie Provinces.